guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do this makeup look, but yeah, if you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, please make sure to do so. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Okay, so the first thing that I do is take my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. It is oil free. Then I'm going to take my brand new Real Techniques Beauty Sponge, and I got this for my birthday, so
make sure to check out that video. It will be in the iCard up there. But yeah, these balloons are possible from that. They're giant.
Then I'm going to take my Dream Liquid Mousse in shade number 10, and I'm just going to put a couple, which is a lot, pumps on my hand, and I like to get more because I do. And I'm just going to put that all over my face. Put the excess on my neck just to make sure that everything blends properly. Then I'm going to take my Revlon Color Stay Concealer in number 1, and I'm going to put that under my eyes, do a little bit on my nose, and then all the places. Oh, and then I'm also going to do my eyelids, just to make sure that I have a nice primer for my eyeshadow. Okay, so for under the eye, I'm going to use the pointed part, but then the rest I'm going to use the flat end.
Now see, right now, my acne isn't that bad, so most of the time I don't, I haven't been wearing.
I really want to get a loose powder so that I can bake, but for now I just take a bunch of powder on my beauty blender, kind of put it under my eyes.
That's all powder. Under my eyes, over my eyes.
Now I'm going to do eyeshadow. So today I'm going to be using the Lid Stuff eyeshadow palette by Soap & Glory. There are 6 shades. So this is what the actual palette looks like. I'm going to take the second color in the palette, and I'm just going to go in my crease very gently. Then I'm going to take my Smashbox Shape Matter eye palette, and I'm going to take Earthy, which is right here, sorry about the mirror, Earthy, and again just a little bit, and this one's gonna go outer and then the inner, and then deeper in the crease, just to deepen it up.
I'm just gonna want to make sure that that's very blended out, so I'm going to dip it back in to my Soap & Glory palette and just kind of go over it to help it blend.
Then I'm going to take my Real Techniques brush, very defined brush, and I'm going to take Canyon in my Smashbox palette, and this is going to be really deepen up my crease.
So, I'm going to go gently into the crease. And then blend it out.
With this brush from Real Techniques, and kind of go over it to help it blend out. I literally, I just went over like 2 times. It's already looking a lot better. Okay, then I'm going to take my Coastal Scents flat brush and get How Nude, which is the second to last color, and I'm going to put that on my lid just as a base. Then I'm going to take the first color and put that on my crease, on my lid. And then I'm going to take the 4th shimmer, or the 4th color, and also put that on my lid. But I'm going to keep that to the outer. And then I'm going to take my Smashbox dual-ended brush, and I'm going to take the first color that we first put on my lid, and I'm going to put that on my brow bone. And then I'm also going to take that same color and go into my inner corner. Then with the other side of my Smashbox brush, I'm going to take the second color and go under my eye. Okay, then I'm going to take my CoverGirl Lash Blast water resistant, and this is for my lower lashes. And then with the same mascara, I'm going to go over the top. Then I'm going to take the Stila Huge mascara.
I'm going to put that on my top lashes.
And like, it makes it look like I have fake lashes on. Then I'm going to do the other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just finished my other eye, and now I'm going to do my eyebrows. So I'm going to be using the Naked Urban Decay Basics eyeshadow palette as my eyebrow. And then I'm going to be using my Smashbox spoolie and eyebrow brush. So I'm going to take, I'm going to take Primal, which is the second to darkest color, and I'm going to use that to fill in the front of my eyebrow. Just a little bit more.
Primal, so I'm going to take a dip of Undone, a dip of Primal, and I'm going to do the end of my eyebrow, just like that. And then I'm going to blend the color into my actual eyebrow, just so that doesn't look like I just have a line. And then I'm going to do one brush, and that's it. Then we'll do the same on the side brow.
Then I'm going to go back and just make sure that my eyebrows are highlighted. Then I'm going to take my Real Techniques contour brush and my Smashbox contour palette. Let me open it. Just like that. And I'm going to take, then I'm going to take this top shade and just do, oh, that looks crazy on camera, but it's not like that in person. Then with the same brush, I'm going to take the bronzer, which is the middle shade, and go into my hairline. Then I'm going to take the Manizer Sisters, and I'm going to take Betty Lou Manizer, just a swipe, and go into the hairline. And then a dab, and a dab. Then I'm going to take my Clinique Defining Berries in 02 with my Real Techniques brush. I wonder if you guys can see that. And I just tap it off, and then I smile. Do a sweep or two. Is it 3, 4? Blend it out a little bit. Then I'm going to take my Real Techniques fan brush and Mary Lou Manizer and do my highlight. Look at that. I really hope that you guys can see that like I can see it. Look at that. This is my favorite highlighter right now.
Then I go in. Then I take my Real Techniques brush and I take a makeup wipe and just wipe off whatever shadow might be on it, which also gets it wet, which means that more highlight gets on. So just let it down a little bit. Look at that. I honestly don't want to take this makeup off. So I'm
forgot to put chapstick on earlier. So I'm gonna do it right now just to get a nice surface for my lipstick. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!